Did you know that you can create mind maps or set your goals out? You can create a design in Canva that has all of your goals really visible on it. You can date when you want to achieve them by. So really give you a really visual way of keeping an eye on your goals or mapping something out. If you've got a project and you need to map it out, you can also use Canva. It's fantastic. So I've just gone to Canva, I've typed in mind maps to see what templates come up, and there are 372 templates with mind maps as the keyword. So as you can see, there's a huge amount of different types of templates here. And these are fantastic. I like this one. You can add your main topic in the center, and then you can branch out around it. You've got other ones like this where you can go down with your break down your individual topics here. It's absolutely amazing for this. There's a customer journey map, small business ideas, website map, so you can plan out the flow of your website. There's one on dog breeds. There's amazing amount of templates in Canva for creating mind maps. Now, the simplest, easiest way to create one of these would be to look at your goals, whether it's business, whether it's home goals, goals for your children, any type of goal I find is a really good thing to put onto a mind map. Now, I would always start with a central circle, square, oblong. It could be any shape you wanted, but it just gives you that center point to your goals or your mind map. Now I'm going to add my business into the middle because this is what I want to create my goals around. Caps Lock is not playing ball today. Anchor Online designs. Okay, and then from here I may want to branch out, so I would add some lines. I don't want them too thick, so I'm just going to go for a number 1. You've got these lovely line options up here, and then I can move this wherever I want. So I would probably put one there, I would duplicate it, I'd have one here, duplicate it again. You can add as many as you want in, rotate them to however you want, wherever you want. So for me, I would add in text. My main avenues of my business are web design. I think I have an issue with my caps lock key today. I also have Canva membership. So I'm adding in the main avenues of my business. And then I would probably put in this one custom graphics. I create custom graphics for people. And then I also look after hosting and maintenance for websites. So I may have another one down here. This is a really, really quick view of doing this. If you wanted to do this, you could spend a lot more time on it than I am, making it look amazing. I could even add mini circles around all of my main topics. What I would probably do, I'll send that one to the back because it's on the front. I think what I would probably do is colour code this. There we go. So I've got, just send that one back because it's in front. So I've got my 4 main avenues of my business. I would change my writing to white. And then from each of these, I may add another line, and then I may jot down here all my goals for web design. I would probably do the same for the membership. If there are any specific goals that I want to achieve with the membership, I could do the same for my graphics. I could do the same for my hosting and maintenance plans. I'm going to change this green. I'm going to go for grey. Okay, so you can begin to see how I could use this for my business. I can, let me just pop that to the back. I really don't like it when you can see lines visible in boxes. So for the membership, I'm going to set up a Facebook group. I'm also going to create additional templates and new videos, and member takeover days. There's various different things I'm now doing for the new Canva membership. Custom graphics, I could add in my goals on how I want to grow this part of my business. Hosting and maintenance, I can have a look at my plans. I've done this recently, actually. I've looked at my plans and redone some of them, added new things in, taken things out, just trial and error on what works. But looking after people's websites, that's under that one. And then I've got web design. I can put if I'm looking for how many new clients I would like, whether I want to do a makeover of my website, for example, that kind of thing there. You can change the background, you can give it a border, you can make it look pretty. I might just go square, and I could add something like this in. To my mind map, I can give it a title. There we go. I will position that to the back because it's just over my text there. I could change the colour. I like my rectangles. You may notice I do tend to use these quite a lot, and I love to rotate them. So I'm just going to add this different colour to the back. Just gives it that something extra, just makes it look slightly different, and it begins to build up. Now I would obviously spend a little bit more time on this. I would definitely give it a title. My business mind map, for example. Put this up here. New fonts as well, because the standard font that everything appears in on Canva is a very plain, boring font, and I don't really like that. But I would now start to build this up, adding in different points. I could add in some arrows, I could add in animation. You don't have to use lines. I mean, you could use an arrow if you wanted to. Go over to the element section, type in arrow. There's lots of different styles. You've got animation. I could use something like, where did I just see that? This one here. I could use an arrow instead of lines, which does look a lot nicer, because you can then print this out. You can print this out, you can put it on your vision board, you can have it somewhere really visible, and you have got your mind map all planned out. You know the different sections of your business, you know the different goals you want to achieve. You could add in dates when you want to achieve these. The possibilities are limitless with something like this. So you can sit down, plan out your business, dump everything into Canva, print it out, scribble all over it. You can redo this as many times as you want. But it is a fun, enjoyable challenge, and I do recommend everybody maybe do something like this for their business. It just helps you to organize it a lot more. So I like to do things like this for my business, just to get all my goals out, all my different things that I want to achieve for things. So you can, like I say, you can do this for business, you can do this for personal, you can do this for anything really. You're going on holiday, you can dump everything, you could use it for a list for your holiday travels, that kind of thing. So that's it really. I just wanted to do a quick video and just to show you some of the templates that are available in Canva for the varying different types of mind maps and goal boards, vision board type things that you can create in Canva. Okay, so I really hope you've enjoyed that. I'm just going to show you this one because I love this one. This is such a simple idea. The idea is mind map, and then you can just add in your information around here, and you've got a central circle, and it's all lovely and colourful. So you could do something like this very simply, but make it look a lot nicer by using just some simple colours. So yeah, like I say, I hope you've enjoyed this very quick, super simple tutorial on business mind maps or mind maps in general in Canva.